We're in the season of breaking out. We're in the season of Perez. And it is my prayer for you that let Perez be a reality to you. Oh, glory be to God. This is the sign of revival. This is the sign of revival. This is the sign of revival. This is the sign of healing. This is the sign of healing. This is the sign of healing.
And shout of God. When Joshua and the Israelites were surrounding Jericho, it came on a particular day when God told them to blow their trumpets up. And when they blew their trumpets up, there was a sound, and that was a sound of victory. And I want to tell you to say, there is a sound that you need to produce. And I pray that as you sing Perez, let this be a reality to you. Let this be a sound of your victory. Let this be a sound of revival. Let this be a sound of breakthrough. Let this be the sound of healing. Let God come through for you. You will not remain behind. You are breaking out. You are breaking out. Yes, you are breaking out. You are breaking out. I'm breaking out. Breaking out. Breaking out. Breaking out. Breaking out. I will never be the same again. Breaking out. Breaking out. Breaking out. I am breaking out. Breaking out. Breaking out. Breaking out. Breaking out. Breaking out. I will never be the same again. For God is on the throne. For God is on the throne. I will never be the same again. We praise the sound of victory. We praise the sound of revival. Those that were unemployed, they'll be employed. Those that have been mocked, they'll never be mocked. Oh, total of Zion. Oh, total of Zion. Your time has come to break through, because the sound of revival has been raised. This is the sound of revival.